Alright guys, welcome to another Stool Mania's cooking show. Today, or tonight, we're going to be doing one of my favorites, easy, as we always do, recipe meatballs. You can do them for a party, you can do them for you. Stew balls is what my bunny calls them. Alright, we're going to use in the oyster pot. We're going to take the top off here because we've been let it preheat. We're going to put it down in the pot. Ah, boy. There we go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with a little butter. I get my spoon out here. Move things out the way. We'll do a little butter to start off with, to try to put a little grease in the pan, so to speak, so things won't stick. Oh yeah. Now, while that's melting, get on down in that butter. We're going to get our handy dandy onions and peppers out from frozen, but they're so handy and they're so dandy. Now, my knife without cutting myself here. There we go. Down there like that. Because first we're going to make kind of like the sauce. Oh yeah. Now, we're going to spread them around a little bit. And then we're going to start with our getting our sauce going. Things have got to melt a little bit. They got to melt a little bit. So we'll go in with our grape jelly. Put them down on now. Now I'm making a big double batch here. Big double batch. So we're going to be putting 2 big bags of meatballs in here. On out of there, jelly. Oh yeah, that's starting to smell good already. Now, Get on out of there. Jar number 1. We'll go ahead and get jar number 2 going in here. Oh yeah, the kitty cat going crazy. Boo Boo is her name. Get this grape jelly. This is just like working with a big crock pot. You would do the same thing. You know, maybe for a party, minus the onions and peppers and the different things I'm going to put into it. When I do them for a party, I just use grape jelly and traditionally just 2 bottles of chili sauce. But we're at home, so we're going to do things a little bit different. Alright, that ought to be good enough for that. Get that out of the way. Rinse my spoon. Let me go rinse my spoon. There we go. Grab me a towel real quick. Now, we're going to haul off here traditionally and put in your chili sauce. Get you some chili sauce. Dump that right on in there. Oh yeah. If you hear clunking, it's me throwing the empties in the trash. Get that out of there. Now we're gonna haul off and put our Sweet Baby Rays in there. Some Sweet Baby Rays, some left over. And we got another bottle here. So don't worry. I believe that's calling for a stir. That's sizzling. Oh yeah. We're not playing around tonight. Stir that up. We still got some of the butter in there. Stir that up. Woo, boy. That's right. That look kind of pretty, don't it? Now, we're going to put a little more barbecue sauce in here. Oh yeah. That's probably a little over half a jar. Half a squirt jar and stir. Now, let's get our meatballs in here. Just go get you a cheap bag of meatballs. We're not trying to hand make meatballs or do any of that hard work on the Stewmania cooking show. Nope, we're not trying to do that. Put the meatballs down on in there. Yeah. Get another bag. Always cut away from you when you're cutting something open with a knife. Oh yeah. Put it on in there like that. I believe that's going to be more than enough sauce. But we like sauce. Oh yeah. Stir them up just like you would in the crock pot. You can do this over the stove too. Yes, you can do this over the stove. Make it real quick. Oh yeah. Get them all nice and coated. Nice and coated. Because the meatballs and those vegetables are gonna give off their own juices. Oh yeah. Put a top on that thing, because with this, if you're looking, you're cooking, and while that's doing its thing there, I got him set at 400. Let me go see if something else is ready over here. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that's ready. You know I can't do without my bacon. Oh yeah. Now, put a little bacon grease in there. Put a little bacon grease in there. It ain't gonna kill you. Put that this is that applewood smoked bacon, about 8 strips. Put that bacon in there. That's right. Now, here's what we're gonna do. Find the space for my spoon now. Get that out of my way. Get that out of my way. Get that out of my way. Now, go on, break that bacon up in there. Oh boy. Grease and all. Don't be afraid. This is good country cooking, people. Get that bacon in there. Grease and all. Oh, it turned out nice and crispy too. Ooh, man. That smells good. That smells good. Now, break that bacon on in there. Ready this. Back out the way. Rinse my hands. Wash my hands, really. Woo! Get some of that bacon grease off. Oh yeah. Now, let's stir that bacon on down in there with that sauce, them onions and peppers, and meatballs. Yes, sir, buddy. Oh, yeah. Now, you see the jelly still needs to melt. So, as you would do, even if you was doing it on the stove, put the top on it. Let it do its thing. Leave it be. That's right. Just leave it be with the top on it. And that's all you got to do. And like I said, these meatballs are frozen, so you basically just warming things up here. It's nothing serious. It's nothing hard to it because this is easy cooking. Easy cooking on the Stove Mania show tonight. I'll come back to you with part 2 and show you the finished product. And I will show the people over there on Facebook the finished product too. See you there.